Turning 50 isn't the end of your energy, it's the beginning of your healthiest years. If you know the right moves, stay with me for the next 60 seconds because these simple habits can add years to your life. Hey everyone, if you're over 50, this message is for you. You don't need expensive supplements, extreme workouts, or complicated diets. Instead, you need proven lifestyle habits that American health experts recommend. Habits that keep your heart strong, joints flexible, your mind sharp, and your energy high. Today, I'm sharing the top 6 life-changing tips you can start right now. 1. Start your mornings with light movement. In your 50s, mobility is everything. Begin your day with 5 minutes of stretching, joint rotations, or a gentle walk boosts blood flow, wakes up your muscles, and reduces stiffness, something many Americans over 50 struggle with. Prioritize high-protein meals. After 50, your body naturally loses muscle. Why US dietitians recommend adding protein to every meal. Yogurt, chicken, fish, lentils. More muscle equals better balance to metabolism and fewer injuries. 3. Walk 5,000 to 7,000 steps daily. Don't need a gym membership. Americans living in blue zones, the longest living community, walk daily. Daily walking improves heart health, lowers blood pressure, and keeps your weight under control. 4. Protect your heart. Healthy fats. To 50, heart health becomes priority number 1. Add olive oil, avocados, and nuts to your diet. These heart-healthy fats reduce cholesterol and keep your arteries clean. 5. Strength training. Twice a week. Studies in the USA show seniors who lift light weights have stronger bones and better posture. Even small dumbbells or resistance bands can prevent osteoporosis and back pain. Protect your mind, not just your body. Staying mentally sharp, just as important. Read daily, solve puzzles, learn new skills, socialize. These boost memory and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. If you want to live healthy after 50, start with small, consistent changes, not big leaps, better choices, every single day. And if you want more USA-based wellness tips for your golden years, make sure to follow and stay connected. Your best years are ahead, not behind.